Close as a verb and adjective means to shut something or to end something. मतलब बंद करना, ख़त्म करना, करीब होना. Uses of the close with examples and practice sentences.
English Booster by Kashwani. One word a day. Say it the better way. Subscribe for your daily dose.
To shut something, बंद करना. Example, please close the door. बराए करम दरवाज़ा बंद करें. She closed the window. उसने खिड़की बंद की. To end something, ख़त्म करना. Example, they closed the shop at night. उन्होंने रात को दुकान बंद की. The meeting closed at 5 p.m. मीटिंग 5 बजे ख़त्म हुई. Near or not far, करीब. Example, the school is close to my house. स्कूल मेरे घर के करीब है. Sit close to me. मेरे करीब बैठो. Let's practice these sentences to save in your active memory. Learn and repeat. Close the door. दरवाज़ा बंद करो. Please close the window. बराए करम खिड़की बंद करो. I close my bag every day. मैं रोज़ाना अपना बैग बंद करती हूँ. She closed the box yesterday. उसने कल डब्बा बंद किया. Close your eyes. अपनी आंखें बंद करो. Shop is closed now. दुकान अब बंद है. Close the book carefully. किताब एहतियात से बंद करो. They close the school at 2 p.m. वो स्कूल 2 बजे बंद करते हैं. He closed the gate quickly. उसने जल्दी से गेट बंद किया. Please close your notebook. बराए करम अपनी नोटबुक बंद करो. The bank is closed today. बैंक आज बंद है. Close the door quietly. दरवाज़ा आहिस्तगी से बंद करें. She closes the shop every evening. वो हर शाम दुकान बंद करती है. Close the files on the computer. कंप्यूटर पर फाइल बंद करो. Stay close to your parents. अपने वालिदैन के करीब रहो. It's time to homework now. Make any 2 sentences with word and share in the comment section to make collection of beautiful sentences for practice and use it in your daily life from today. Thanks for watching. Keep learning, keep growing, keep practicing and subscribe this channel for more videos.